Hello, welcome to Bali. كيف حالك? كيف حالك?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And our journey today only on Kayu Aya Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, we are fine. Okay, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Yeah, as I told you, today I just want to update the situation at the moment on Kayu Aya Street because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kayu Aya area on Kayu Aya Street. Now Kayu Aya is getting back, more trees stay down there, so that's why I have to drive in very slow. In this video, I make video around 11 minutes without skip video because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area on Kayu Aya Street. And so far on video, we already seen so many trees walk around on the footpath, and also in the restaurant, just so busy down there, isn't it? That's just really good. Actually, about the weather this week is not really good because almost raining every day. You see the street? Still wet, isn't it? Because it's just been rain. Yeah. I hope this video will give you an information about update situation in Bali and also about the weather. Yeah, this week Bali is still wet. I mean, like, there is a lot of rain this week, so that's why Bali is getting wet. More wet, more happy because there is more tourists come to Bali this time. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. You see left side? Yeah, few tourists down there. They are walk around on the footpath. And right side, the Seminyak Bali Hotel, the big hotel and connecting by Petit Tengah Beach. In this area on Kayu Aya Street, there is some very famous nightclub, like right side. That is the main gate to go to Kodeta, and also we have La Favela, Mexicola, and also Red Carpet, the most famous bar in Kayu Aya area.
Hello, welcome to Bali. كيف حالك? كيف حالك?
Yeah, they are look so happy, isn't it? So many people happy in Seminyak Bali. If I turn right, that is the way to go to Kayu Aya Square. There is the market and also flea market inside, the most famous market in Seminyak Bali. And also on Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya area, there is another shopping area we call Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village Mall. And in that area for sure I was busy because shopping area. See left side? Few tourists standing up beside the street. Just quite busy in this area, isn't it? Also right side. Yeah, a lot of tourists down there. Okay, now we are nearby central shopping area in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Okay guys, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area.
to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali. Halo. Halo. Halo, brother.
Halo, Bosman.
Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kayu Aya Street. So what do you think? Yeah, it is so busy, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.